How you doing, man? Thank you for helping us get a hydraulic hose. We tried some lines on this and it didn't work too good. They busted right out the gate, but this is a vehicle we've been working on for about 8 or 9 years, and we built it for Mark Phillips in Franklin, real big friend of mine. He actually didn't want a full-blown bouncer. He wanted the most extreme hardcore trail rig he could build, and I hope we did him a good job. But this thing's got a 700 cubic inch Merlin big block, dual tunnel ram. It made about 975 on pump gas, and it'll rev about 75 or 8,000 RPM. So we use a turbo 400 with a reed case, so we would have more of a trail gear. We did put SCS case, Dana 80s, 2-inch shafts, 2-inch all the way through to the. It's built really to not tear up. I believe this will be a really good rig for him. Mark's about 55, 60 years old, and he wanted a theme based on an older generation. He likes old cars, so we based the theme on a '69 Camaro called Yo Daddy. Hope it'll hold its reputation. Tried to build it so that people remember it and bring people out here, want them to look at it, bring people to our sport. The truck has a lot of fab work, a lot of custom fab work. We built the hood out of fiberglass cloth and resin ourselves. Built the chassis, then built the hood to it. We cut the Camaro bumper down to fit. The grill, headlight bezels, everything we built custom. Tried to mimic the dash a little bit of a '69. Went one further, kind of wanted the old race car tweed on the doors. Mark being older, he wanted a full entry walk into this buggy. He did not want anything that would because he's older, he did not want to climb over the door. Hope y'all like it. Just give us a couple weeks, we'll get it on the trail and get you some smoke show pictures.
Awesome.
We appreciate y'all, and Busted Knuckle.
Thanks, Bryan.